Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Everybody knows asparagus, but you might know it only as a vegetable. It's a fairly big genus. The commonly grown one is Asparagus officinalis. Officinalis referring to the apothecary shop, so perhaps at one time asparagus were used more medicinally than as a vegetable. Though, you know, the people in the Middle East where it arose have been eating it for thousands of years. Most other asparagus are grown as ornamentals. Some are tropical and are grown as houseplants. Quite a few of them are hardy. This is Asparagus setaceus. It is the common houseplant one, but this is a winter hardy selection grown from seed collected in South Africa. Now, we haven't given it anything to climb on, though it is climbing through the lower limbs of this rare redbud, Cercis chingii, but it would be something that you could readily train on a trellis and have this beautiful delicate green foliage all summer long. It is a species that dies to the ground every winter and then comes back. And I don't imagine anybody has ever grown an asparagus for its floral display, but this is rather charming, tiny little white stars through the foliage. And I believe this is just one plant, and there's not another plant somewhere nearby in this garden. And that's of interest to me because either this is an exceptional individual that is able to set fruit without pollination, or it has perfect flowers that have both male and female parts, but it does manage to set fruit. And most asparagus have fruit that is turns bright red when it's ripe, and this won't ripen until late in the summer. There's one that's turning orange now, but it's probably one that's, there's no seed in that one, so it's turning orange because it's dying. But the fruit is another showy element of this plant. This is a spot that gets a little bit of direct sun, but most of the day is bright shade. They will certainly tolerate full sun, and their large root system enables them to tolerate a lot of drought. I don't know if they would tolerate soggy soil, but certainly average soil. They're just as easy to grow as can be. And I did mention that this species is herbaceous, meaning that it dies to the ground. But some asparagus are almost evergreen for us. And they're quite a varied group. Some are vines, most are not. Some are stiffly upright. Some are sort of makes lovely mounds. But even when it's not in bloom or in fruit, it's a beautiful, fresh green textural element in the garden. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you again in the garden.